Hey, so in this session, we are going to see how we can install Docker and how we can pull the image of Dataweave editor for locally. Because as we know that when you go for the online editor, that is Dataweave Lang, so it responds basically very slow, and sometimes you will not have a time to spend too much on that. So for to overcome from this scenario, see, as you can see here, it is taking too much time to get load. So overcome from this situation, we are going to install this data editor locally. So locally, when I say locally, it means I am going to use a Docker where I will install uh, this DW image onto it, and then we will use it. So the first thing is you need to go to this link. I will post this link in the description section. And after this, you have to come over here and you need to click on this download for Windows. If you have Windows, you can go for the window, and we have another machines as well. So once you click on this, you will get a exe file that will start downloading here. So it is of 487 MB, so it will take time. So I have already downloaded this. So let me stop this one. We go to the download section. Yeah. So I have already downloaded that one. So if you double click on this, it will ask you this. You need to click on the yes. Once you click yes, it will start downloading. So in this way, you can configure this part. So I have already installed it. That's why it is saying existing installation is up to date. So no need to go on that. Once you install, it will ask you to install the server as well. Not server, this Linux kernel. So you will not need to come over here. So when it will say you to install the WSL, it will give you a link also that how you can install. So you need to come over the step. Let me show it to you. So you need to come over the step 4. There it will ask you to install the Linux kernel for 64 machine. And similarly, if you have the ARM, then you can go with this step. Once you download this, as I have downloaded, let me show you. This is WSL updated. Once I do that part, it will my Docker will start. So once your Docker start running, it will give you here a green. It means that engine is running. That is a Docker is running fine. Now the second step is to install this DW playground. So for this, you will go to the CMD. Here you will write Docker and you will pick the image from here. So just write DW editor Docker image. So in the first link, you can go over here and come to this part. So you need to write this command docker run -d -name, then the image name, and this is the port that we are allocating here. So port is 999. If I come here, if you see, this is the port inside the container. Image run on the port 888 8080, but we want to map that to our local computer on port 4 times 9. So What here we are doing is our actual port where this will run is 8080, but we are mapping this port to this 4 times 9. Okay, so once you run this command in your CMD, so here you just need to copy paste. You just need to copy paste this part completely and just press enter. So as I have already installed this Docker image, so I will close this. Once you install that Docker image, it will give you a symbol here running. Now you can click over here, open in browser. This is the command line interface and this is the stop and play button. So if I go now, you can see this is the localhost 999. So in this way, we have installed this Dataweave editor locally on the Docker Hub. Once I stop this, and if I go to here and write localhost colon 4 times 9 and press enter, it will say this site can't be reached. Now if I go and press here start, and if I go here again, click on reload, let me see if it is working or not. Yeah, so once I start this, this will show in our browser itself. Okay, so this is the way you can install the DW editor on your Docker. Thank you.